Every week, a new AI coding tool shows up claiming it's going to replace developers. And usually it's the same story. Powered by AI. Write apps in seconds. Revolutionary workflow. Then you try it and spend 40 minutes installing dependencies before writing your first line of code. Today we're looking at something a little different. It's called Monkey Code. So what is Monkey Code? Monkey Code is basically a cloud development environment powered by AI. Instead of downloading VS Code, installing Node, Python, Docker, Git, and praying nothing breaks, you literally open a browser, create an account, and you're ready to code. No setup, no installations, no configuring environments. Monkey Code is a free open source AI development platform. Unlike a lot of vibe coding tools that just spit out code snippets, Monkey Code is built as a full AI assistant for real engineering work, handling everything from writing code to compiling, testing, and previewing it. So what exactly makes Monkey Code stand out? First, it's completely free to get started. Everything runs in a real cloud development environment, so compiling, testing, and previewing your projects all happen on remote servers. It also supports a wide range of popular AI models. Another nice addition is native mobile support, which lets you keep track of your projects and AI tasks even when you're away from your computer. And probably my favorite part, it's fully open source. You can inspect the code, contribute to the project, or even self-host it if you want complete control. All right, enough talking. Let's see what using Monkey Code actually feels like. After signing up, you're dropped straight into this dashboard. From here, you can create a new AI task, manage your projects, and keep track of everything you've worked on. All right, I've given it the prompt. Now let's see what happens. One thing I like here is that Monkey Code doesn't just dump a wall of code on the screen. It actually breaks the task down, creates the project structure, writes the files, and builds everything step by step. Since everything is running in the cloud, I don't have to install any libraries or configure a local environment. I can just sit back and watch it generate the game. Once it's finished, we'll test it out and see how well it actually performs. All right, the project is finished. Now all I have to do is click preview and Monkey Code spins up the application on a cloud server for me. Within a few seconds, the game is live in a separate tab. No downloads, no local setup, and no manual configuration. And honestly, this turned out better than I expected. It generated a complete start menu, smooth controls, particle effects, a scoring system, and even a polished neon-style interface. The controls are responsive, the animations are smooth, and everything works right out of the box. For a game that was generated from a single prompt, that's pretty impressive. Of course, you can continue improving it by asking Monkey Code to add new features, tweak the gameplay, redesign the UI, or fix any issues, all without leaving the same workspace. Building a game is fun, but let's try something that's actually closer to what most developers build on a daily basis. This time, I'm going to ask Monkey Code to create a modern AI chatbot using Next.js and Tailwind CSS. I want a chat GPT style interface with multiple conversations, markdown support, syntax highlighting, dark mode, and a responsive design. Let's see how well it handles a larger, more realistic project. All right, the project is finished, so let's open the preview and see what Monkey Code came up with. And this actually looks really clean. The interface has that familiar ChatGPT style layout with a sidebar for conversations, a modern dark theme, and everything feels polished right from the start. And as I expected, it is pretty responsive. You can ask it almost anything. The chatbot already looks pretty good, but this is usually where the real development starts. Instead of settling for the first version, let's see how well Monkey Code handles design improvements. I'm going to ask it to give the interface a more premium look by improving the layout, adding smoother animations, better spacing, and a more modern visual style. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, the redesign is finished, so let's take a look. Overall, I think it did a pretty solid job. The interface definitely feels more modern now. The glass morphism effect, smoother animations, and improved spacing make the whole application look a lot more polished. That said, I actually preferred the chat box from the previous version. It felt a bit cleaner and more readable. We've already seen Monkey Code build a game from scratch and even create a full web application. But let's try something a bit different. This time, I'm going to start a completely new task and ask it to build a modern version of the classic Snake game. It sounds simple, but it'll be a good test of how well it handles gameplay mechanics, animations, and overall polish. Let's see what it comes up with. All right, it's done. Let's launch the preview and see what Monkey Code built. Wow, this actually looks really clean. I wasn't expecting the neon aesthetic. It gives the game a much more modern feel than the classic Snake we all know. The animations are smooth, the controls feel responsive, and even small details like the glowing effects and UI make it feel surprisingly polished. And the best part is, this all started from a single prompt. If I wanted to add obstacles, power-ups, different game modes, or even multiplayer, I could just ask Monkey Code to build on top of what it's already created. Another feature I found interesting is the built-in skills library. Instead of relying on a single prompt for everything, Monkey Code lets you choose specialized skills that are designed for different development tasks. So whether you're brainstorming new ideas, executing an implementation plan, requesting a code review, or finishing up a development branch, you can simply select the appropriate skill and let Monkey Code tailor its workflow accordingly. It's a nice addition, especially for larger projects where different stages of development require different kinds of assistance. Another thing I like is that Monkey Code integrates directly with popular Git platforms. You can connect services like GitHub, GitLab, Git, allowing you to sync repositories, commit changes, and manage your projects without constantly switching between different tools. If you're already using Git for your development workflow, this makes it much easier to move from AI-generated code to a real project that's under version control. AI usage can get expensive pretty quickly, but Monkey Code's free plan includes 30 million tokens every day. That's enough to experiment, build projects, and explore the platform without worrying about running out immediately. Overall, I think Monkey Code has a lot to offer. From generating complete projects to iterating on existing ones, everything runs directly in the browser so you can focus on building instead of setting up your environment. If you'd like to try it for yourself, I've left links to both the Monkey Code platform and its open source GitHub repository in the description below.